my name is Ida Siti Farida. I'm from class A. Now, I want to tell you about my idol. My idol is Syahrini. Why I choose Syahrini? Because she has a nice vocal and she's beautiful. Okay, let's talk about Syahrini. Syahrini from Indonesia. She was born on Sukabumi, West Java, 1st August 1980. She's 32 years old. uh, the negative personality of Syahrini, she did want to be someone else, and then she's beautiful, sexy, and fashionable. The negative personality of Syahrini, she always wearing excessive makeup artist, and she is a artist controversial. Syahrini is a singer and actress. The first album is My Lovely, which was released in 2008. Before the release of first album, uh, she once sang for a compilation album Chocolate Strawberry Movie with the title track Tatapan Cinta. Rini began his career in the music through song Tatapan Cinta uh, of the original soundtrack album Coklat Strawberry 2007. A year later, Rini has had a debut album titled My Lovely 2008 with the hit singer Bohong and My Lovely. Syahrini trying to enter the world of cinema by starting in Maling Kuburan 2009. Then in mid 2009, uh, Syahrini released Cinta Setengah Mati with Syahrini creation and Henriette NG arrangement. Late in 2009, uh, Syahrini duet with Anang Hermansyah. In 2011, Rini sing back hits Aku Tak Biasa, sung by the late popular Darisma. Syahrini have achievement for example, in SCTV Award 2011 and in Look Award 2011. Syahrini named trendmaker, version of uh, infotainment, infotainment as subject to fashion style of speech that is always copied by the public. Okay, I think enough for I talk about Syahrini. Please forgive any mistake the word, and thank for watching.